Witness the power of flat cutting board. But today we're not going that. You see right in front of you here, over here, a squad that just so chill, Daddy Charles can't even correct the posture anymore. Okay guys, hi everybody, it's me, Vice Loli. Welcome back to another Epic 7 video. As usual, I'm going to do weird shit by zooming in literally a weird place. And that guy is still over there in every of my video. What the hell is wrong with him? What do you guys think? I'm not going to pay 800k of gold to take him. No, I won't do that. That will be such a waste. But today our main focus is not this guy on the table. Our main focus is the Cutting Board Squad. That's a scary name. I cannot figure out any other name than that. That's just scary. So here we got Ravi as a tanker with the counter set. Shu, that's the cute Loli over here. The kid, cutting board number 2, is the anti-crit. Let's just say it's DN, but she can use Selpacrum. The next girl, Sermia, or aka cutting board number 3, going to do her job. And the last cutting board we have this Sinful Angelica, or shall I say cutting board number 4, aka Satan Loli, Goth Loli. Is the FBI here yet? Alright, let's just go straight to the battle, guys. So today we have 4 battles. I'm going to do all of them. Surprising, isn't it? We're going to do all of them. One fell swoop, everyone going to die. Or it's just me. Our plan for every battle. Ravi tank everything from these guys. Sermia hit them one by one like a truck and they will die. Shuk provide the anti-crit to enlarge the the survivability of our team. Sorry. I should not supposed to say that. Alright, whatever. And that Satan Loli behind, aka cutting board number 4, give them heal buff. I mean, every time our allies kill someone, they recover health, and that's good. Let's just go. Ah, closet, as usual. This is where I kept my shirt. You want me to do this super fast or something? Let's try. Ravi counter. Ravi just counter. Wow guys, Ravi just counter. Now this Satan Loli going to buff the attack buff. Let's go. Oh, the Shu outspeed everyone. Let's go Shu. We it just me or every skill name in this game give us the wrong kind of thinking, like high order thinking, whatever is it. Let's just go help me cream. Why the name is so weird? Why it should be cream? Whatever, let's just go. Okay, this is another skill that literally going to give you the wrong impression of the game. First, we have this playing with fire, 60% chance to make the target unhealable. Second turn, hot streak, you already know where this is going. And the third skill for surprise, we're going to put it all in with 50% defense penetration. All in guys, that's right, penetrate. Ignore the target defense when inflicting damage. Oh, that just Gucci. Let's just go. with Saltburn just to kill this guy. What do you feel about the penetration, huh? 50% penetration. Alright, let's go. Next, we're going to kill this guy. Stun. Ooh. Satan Loli is doing something today. Let's just kill them. Oh guys, this is so good. For the first time, our first battle we didn't lose. This Satan Loli cutting board number 4, guys, when she is immortal, she bring allies with highest attack into dual attack every time she strike with her first kill. She is Gucci. Let's just go. You are saying, oh yeah, because she got the decreased attack. Oh, let's just clap him. Now guys, you see this kill? Whoosh. This also have penetrate. That's means 50% penetration because we have max focus. Let's just penetrate this trap guy over here. It does not crit! Crazy. Ravi with 100 focus. I'm not going to unleash her ulti. Let's just go. No stun. Oh no, Angelica does not have that immortality anymore. Let's just go. Decrease attack. Ooh, Gucci. Satan Loli is doing something today. Okay, you are forcing me to do this, Crosset. What did it do? It did nothing. Oh god, what the hell. Miss. We do again, Saltburn. No crit. Wow, now everyone is shit. L brace on him. L brace again? Dude, stop that. Oh my god. That's scary. Double attack. Oh, we have the cream again, but I'm not going to do the cream. No, not the cream again. Let's just go. Ooh, now you crit. We do this, guys. Then we go all in again with the penetration. Why can I stop looking at that? Alright, let's just go. Penetrate the defense. Dead Crosset. The closet is dead. Case closed. I rest my case. First battle, great success. We have proven the universe that the flat chest is OP part 2. So for the next battle we're going to go Iseria. Now for Iseria I don't have any proper plan. All I know, we murdered them before they murder us. So we're going to put Luna. Where's my Luna again? Oh, it's up there. Luna going to clap, clap, clap. Oh wait, I really want to try like push. We rely on only 1 DPS. Okay, we're done with flat chest community. I mean the cutting board community. We're going to go with CR pusher team. We got auxiliary lots. Wait, auxiliary. Oh, he's already in. Inside them. Huh. Alright. We're going to go with Lidica. We put Destina too. So the plan is just clear. We focus on Dominion to do all the job. Clap them one by one by one by one by one, and everyone is dead and we won. That's all. The end of the video. Easy, right? Let's just go. Your team will optimize. Wow guys, you weren't going to believe this. A cutting board come back to revenge. A cutting board coming back for revenge. She's very angry, but still you're flat. You have no rights in my team, as if I have her. First of all, we're going to check this. So that Azaria is pretty damn slow, I guess, but that Karin is so crazy fast. So we're just going to pull her back. Well, it missed anyway. What do I expect? Let's just go with Dominial. This is getting bad. Ooh! The Spirit Bread proc. This is Gucci. First target, Karin. Karin, bye. Karin dead. Second turn. We push Dominial back again. Will this be enough though? No! Oh, I miscalculated. Oh, Dominial, please don't die. Nah, Dominial is strong. Bye, Azaria. One shot. Now we go with Dominial again. Oh no. Miscalculation happened. As usual. Why I'm so dumb? By whatever your name, kid, you're going to meet your mother. What should we do next? I don't know. We are just basically win over here. Durandal. Okay, bye Corvus. Wait, what? Oh shit. What the fuck? How? How? Okay, we're going to go with Destina Heal. This is going bad. I thought I can just one clap them. Like every single one of them. Now we're going to push Dominial again. We Soul Burn for extra cheese. Wait, we're going to do this first. Critical rate, 100% chance, guaranteed. If this thing misses, I don't know what to do. I'm going to throw my phone away. Now see, Dominial have increased attack for 1 turn, critical hit chance increase for 3 turn, Soul Burn extra damage, and this thing is very lethal. I have enchanted her into full skill. That's a hell lot of damage. Kill him. Dead! One shot queen, challenger Dominial. I've lost. Oh, how sad, you flat cutting board. I'm going to make sushi on top of that. Sushi! So, the result today. Wait, I'm not going to do all battle. I changed my mind. We don't have enough time. 50 minutes is the limit for every of my video. Because over that, my phone going to explode. Yes, alright. So, the review today, I guess, is pretty good. First round we win. No losses at all. As the previous video we just got clapped multiple times. That give me trauma. Okay. So anyway, we have proven to universe that flat chest is just a cutting board. We deserve more bigger melon. And today we're going to make someone smile. Let's just go into the hero section. Let's go check on someone that's capable of smiling and not actually a stone-faced god. How about her? Still has level 8 friendship. I once used her on arena with Challenger Dominial because she is super fast. Alright, let's just go. Wait, she have 87 charm? Whoa. With that pair of melon? Wow. She should obtain 100% because one pair of melon is 50% and another pair is 50%, so you get 100%. 100% charm. Okay, let's see. Can she smile? She can smile! Oh guys, look at the smile. Give her a smile, everybody. Give her a smile. Oh my god, I bit my tongue. It hurt a lot. Okay guys. It's me, Loli, and Hoyo. We're going to meet again in the next video. That's a few days after this. I haven't slept yet. I haven't eaten my breakfast. I just straight up making video after shower. Yeah, that's all. Have fun in Epic 7. Hoyo, we see you again next time. Stay. I always miss that part. What is the name again? Oh yeah. Stay safe. Stay happy. See ya. Hoyo, everybody.